Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, let me just show you guys what it looks like. This is the little case here. Okay, so the Just for Kira colored contact lenses. This is the packaging. Now the packaging is so cute. It's like a holographic kind of a vibe. It's super cute. So this is what it looks like. So this is my natural eye, and this is what it looks like when I have on the Nila Brown or Nayla Brown. Yeah, this is just, when I say they're just so comfortable, like OMG, I feel like I'm wearing absolutely nothing at all. Like this is just too cute. I love this brown. OMG, I love the brown. So I'm just going to show you guys just how easy, how simple it is. So as you can see, I have the contact lens here on my finger. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender to hold down my eyelid because I do have on makeup and I don't want to mess it up, y'all. I don't want to mess it up. So I'm just going to go like this. And voila. Look how easy that was, guys. Super easy. Look how cute they look. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, like what do you guys think? Like, oh my gosh, comment down below. Make sure you let me know whichever color is your favorite on me. Oh my gosh, so cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna get started on the next color so you guys can see like how easy it is and how natural these colors look like. Come on guys. Because it can be scary searching out there on the internet for something for your eyes and to have that mystery to where you don't really know what you're going to get until it gets there. But I saved you guys some guesswork, and I don't have prescription contact lenses, but you can add your prescription information in there for both of your eyes as individual eyes, and you can customize them and get them to fit your eyes in the dimensions of what you need as far as your medication, which is super cool. And again, I'll leave everything down below for you guys. So I'm just going to pop in my last color, which is Norco Green. Norco Green. Green eye, you see that? Like, oh my gosh, black girl born with a green eye. This one, like by far, like this green color was the easiest, smoothest. Like, oh, I thought I didn't feel the other ones. Like, no, this green one feels like literally weightless. Like you feel absolutely nothing. I love this green. So I'm going to go ahead and pop in the other one. And then I'm just going to use my beauty blender to hold down my eye. And again, I'll leave everything, all the information will be listed down below in the description box. Like, I am just like, OMG guys, like this green is my favorite color, and I never imagined me having green eyes. And just to see how natural you can look with green eyes with a deeper skin tone. It's just literally like it's giving me all type of life right now, y'all. I'm just gonna give you guys my final thoughts on Just for Kira contact lenses, color contact lenses. Me personally, I would highly recommend Just for Kira for color contact lenses. Especially, I can only relate to my personal experience, especially for me being a woman of color with really deep eye color, natural eye color. It's really hard to find color contact lenses that give you that natural look, and it looks like it's kind of like that see-through, and the color is just so natural looking. It's really hard when your natural eye color is like a dark brown. So I am so impressed with Just for Kira. Like, oh my gosh. For one, let's just start with shipping. Shipping was like extremely fast. The website, to navigate through the website, is extremely easy. Like kind of self-explanatory. You see the colors. Once you select the colors, then you can kind of go into the specifications on if you need prescription contact lenses. You would just use your prescription information, copy it, and just fill it in, and then you make your payment, and then they're on their way. So I'm just so happy that I was able to share this experience with you guys and share an amazing brand with you guys, a brand that you guys can trust. I'm just so excited. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, make sure that your notification bell is set to all. Comment down below, let me know which one you think is the best color on me. I'm just so curious. Right now my favorite is definitely this green. Like, this green is giving me, I feel like I'm like an Avenger, or maybe like like a superhero, like superpowers. I feel like I'm feeling real good right now, y'all. Stay tuned to my channel. Again, it's your girl Wella Novi. I'm just so happy. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, these are my final thoughts on Just for Kira. And I will see you guys next time.